Something I want to say regarding quantum physics. Science for a long time has been, thinking that they're in charge. Well, I'll tell you now, God is the God of the living. God is not the God of the dead. And if you understand that, this is the dead, the people that are lying. There's no fear of God before their eyes, before their identity. These people over here, you're atheists, you're liars. These people, they love their science, they love their quantum physics. They were like playing all this big nonsense thing about, how quantum physics, oh, we don't need God because we got this, we got quantum physics. Let me tell you something. In my last couple of videos, God put his foot in your backside. Just look at it that way. Because you can't escape now. For God seeth the light, and the light good. That's the wave coming to the particle, or the breakdown of the wave coming into reality. The Schrodinger's cat, whatever you want to call it. The science people know. See, once the science people really get a hold of this, once they start seeing it, they're going to lose their minds. They are. And another thing, too, I looked at other videos about quantum physics and the Bible, and they don't even know about Genesis 1 to Genesis 1:4. They have no idea. They use some esoteric thing about consciousness, and yeah, okay, I'll give it to you. There's something there. But God is simple. Simplicity of Christ. Jesus, the Christ, the light of men, the life. There's no other way. And now, when we understand this, that the only way to the Father is through Jesus Christ, now you see who is the first observer. Jesus did not see this guy. Jesus did not talk to this guy. This guy does not exist. This guy is, let's say, the particle that ends up here and the particle that ends up there. Or you could say he's in the Schrodinger, we don't know if the cat's alive or dead. He'll stay like that, not going anywhere. That's why it's unobserved. That's why it talks about light entered into darkness and darkness could not perceive. God is in charge. And quantum doesn't prove God. God says, yeah, I have dominion over quantum. By the fourth